Now, Assalamu alaikum. Welcoming you all in the 7th lecture of this chemical reaction and equation. It is unbalanced chemical equation. So far we have studied balanced chemical equation, where we observe there are equal number of different types of atoms, different atoms in the reactant and the product side. Then it is called as balanced chemical equation. Now, what is unbalanced chemical equation? So, a chemical equation having unequal number of atoms of different elements in the reactant and the product side. That simply means if in a chemical equation there are not equal number of different atoms in the reactant as well as in the product side, we call that equation as unbalanced chemical equation. Now, for example, hydrogen reacts with oxygen to form water. H2 plus O2 gives H2O. Hydrogen reacts with oxygen to form water. For hydrogen we write H2 plus oxygen we write O2 gives H2O is water. Now, if we observe in this chemical equation, number of atoms, reactant side and the product side, there are two different atoms. One is hydrogen and one is oxygen. In case of hydrogen, in the reactant side there are two hydrogen, in the product side there are also two hydrogen atoms. In case of oxygen, there are two atoms in the reactant side and only one atom in the product side. So, if we now try to equate the number of atoms of hydrogen in the reactant and products are same. The number of atoms of the oxygen in reactant and products are not same, because in reactant side we have two atoms, while as in product side we have only one atom. So we call such a chemical equation as unbalanced chemical equation, because number of different types of atoms involved in a chemical equation, when they are not equated, when they are not equal, I will say. So this means such a chemical equation is called as unbalanced chemical equation. That is, above equation has two atoms of oxygen on reactant side and only one atom of oxygen on product side. So it is an unbalanced chemical equation.